this is lunch in 15. If you have 15 minutes, some mushrooms, and some hummus, you've got lunch. Today, we're making mushroom hummus toast. Start with your onions. You just need a little bit to really start building flavor. While those onions are softening, let's chop our mushrooms. No need to be precise here. Rustic is just fine. We're also going to add a little bit of soy sauce. We're going to add some salt and some thyme and red pepper flakes. And in go the mushrooms. Remember this tip.
Salt your mushrooms right away to draw out the moisture, encourage browning, and add flavor.
While they're doing their thing, let's go toast our bread. If you want to get extra fancy, grab yourself some sourdough or French bread, really beautiful thick slices, coat with a little bit of oil, rub with a little garlic, place it in the oven. That would be great for company. But for every day, rye bread in the toaster works just fine. Woo! Let's add some thyme to build more flavor. They've browned up nicely. Let's add the soy sauce. Then a few red pepper flakes. To assemble, be generous with your hummus. I mean, really, shovel it on because this is your butter and your protein source. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's load them up. Oh, yeah. A little bit of arugula or whatever green you have. Maybe green onions, parsley. You can even put some spinach in with your mushrooms. And if you have it, I mean, this is optional. A little squeeze of lemon juice right on top. Oh, yeah. And voila, lunch in 15. Gorgeous, delicious hummus toast. Check the playlist for more ways to enjoy lunch in 15 and use up what you've got.